In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert landscape video to portrait. If you're creating content for platforms like TikTok, Reels, or Shorts, shooting vertically is ideal. But if you already have a landscape clip, this quick process in CapCut will get it ready for a vertical feed without starting from scratch. First, open CapCut on your device. Give it a moment to load your media library so everything's ready to go. From the main screen, tap New Project. This takes you into the editor with access to your camera roll and folders. Find and import the landscape video you want to convert. You'll see it drop onto the timeline and a preview will appear at the top. Play a second or two just to confirm you've chosen the right clip. Next, we'll switch the canvas to a vertical layout. Tap Format or Ratio, depending on what your version shows. You'll see a grid of aspect ratios. Select 9:16, which is the standard portrait format for mobile viewing. The canvas instantly flips to vertical, and your landscape clip will be cropped to fit that tall frame. Now it's time to refine the framing. Because you're fitting a wide video into a tall space, CapCut will crop the sides. To keep your subject looking great, use two-finger pinch gestures on the preview to zoom in slightly if needed, or drag the video left, right, up, or down to center the action. Aim to keep faces and key details near the center of the frame with a little headroom above. If you see faint guidelines, use them to align your subject. Try not to over-zoom, because that can make the image look soft. A subtle zoom usually maintains quality while keeping attention where you want it. Scrub through the timeline and check multiple moments in the clip. Sometimes the subject moves, and a quick readjustment ensures nothing important slips out of frame. When everything looks balanced, it's time to export. Tap the Export button, typically at the top right. Choose 1080p for a crisp result that uploads quickly and looks great on most phones. Keep the frame rate as recorded unless you have a specific reason to change it. Start the export and let CapCut finish processing. Once it's done, your portrait version will be saved to your device, ready to share on your favorite platform. And that's it! You've successfully converted a landscape video to portrait in just a few taps, with clean framing and optimal quality.